Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create table of content in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my document in my Microsoft Word and I'm going to add table of content to the first page. I'm going to create table of content for this document. So first thing first, we need to go to the references and select the table of contents. And here you can choose the type of the table of content you want to add to your document. I'm just going to select automatic table. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my first chapter. Click on the first chapter and then I'm going to go to the home, back to home, and then I'm going to select heading 1. Okay, and then for the subchapter, I'm going to select heading 2, this one, and you can customize the font and the color. If you want to customize it, you can right click on heading 2 and select modify, and I'm just going to change the font color to black. And for the font, I'm going to select Times New Roman and I'm going to apply bold and we can click on OK. Okay, this is for the subchapter. And then for the second subchapter, I'm going to apply table of content as well. I'm going to select heading 2. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, and I'm going to move to my second chapter. I'm going to apply heading 1 for the second chapter, just like that. And for this one, I'm going to apply heading 2. Okay, and you have to do it one by one for your chapter and subchapter. And I'm not going to continue it because this is just for an example, and I'm just going to go back to my table of content and I'm going to click on update table. Okay, and as you can see guys that the table of content has been created and you can customize the table of content according to your needs. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create table of content in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.